So Gertrude Foster Brown related on page 156 at the bottom. New York suffragists almost forgot their own campaign as they plugged into war work. So really, we see that because they suggested for meatless Mondays and meatless Tuesdays, and reserving these foods for troops, these devised programs, they were so focused and this that they forgot their campaign, their own work, their own cause. And the suffragists report on the war. So we see suffragists empowered by their experiences, and we see through journalists and their contributions to war travel to Europe to report on the war for U.S. publications. So we see people like we see suffragists like Mary Hethenforth, Rita Chaldor, Madeline Doty, and Inez Milholland. And home front efforts. So Alice Hill Chittenden worked with suffragists and anti-suffragists to raise $46,000 for Red Cross efforts. Their professionalism, their unwavering commitment to war and suffrage work won many men over to the side of suffrage. And we see that on 59 at the bottom of the first paragraph. And to conclude everything, there are 3 points that I put together here. So, war in Europe profoundly influenced the suffrage movement in New York State. And second, suffragists worked it. They absolutely did, regardless. Whether or not they experienced criticism for their lack of patriotism, suffragists worked relentlessly for their enfranchisement. And lastly, women as partners in war. Many men saw women as partners in the war effort, whereas others found suffragists too closely linked to the peace movement or too radical to consider them patriotic. Women and men on both sides on the issue learned a great deal about politics and government during the war. And coming to my questions, 1, what do you think of anti-suffragists and suffragists' role in war? 2, what do you think war in Europe was doing to the public? And what effects did that have on New York suffragists and their position? 3, in what ways do we see suffragists using war to build their cause, to bring it to awareness? So thank you for watching, and everyone be safe, and hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.